Hello, Facebook and YouTube. Today on How Hugh, it's going to be an EDC, an everyday carry video of a Balisong Benchmade knife I picked up recently. It's Benchmade Knife Company, made in the USA. So it's got a serrated blade halfway up. It's kind of dirty. I've been actually using it. It's a nice tight action. I bought this on eBay from a seller. So I know it's made in America, and Benchmade has been around for a little while, since the 90s. Not sure when this one was made or what model it is, but it's actually quite a nice knife. The only thing about the Benchmade blades is they're really thin, so I really like a blade that's a little bit thicker, but if you like thin blades, these are fantastic for thin blades. Overall, it's about 8.5 inches, and the blade is about 3 3/4 of an inch. It's a lockback design. It has a rubberized handle. It's got the nice little Balisong emblem there. So I remember when my first experience with Balisong was when they made the butterfly blades, the butterfly knives. So I used to have one of those back in the day. I think they might consider them like switchblades now or something, so they might be hard to get or hard to keep depending on where you live. I'm not sure if it's illegal to own them or just to carry them, or in some places they don't care. That's the funny thing about California. You can carry just about as big of a blade as you want, really, as long as it's not hidden. But they don't like switchblades. They don't like any type of automatic knife or any type of a non-manual assist. Now there is a little caveat to that. If you only have one working arm, then there are some things in the law that say that you can have certain types of knives that open quickly and easily with one hand. So I'm not a lawyer or a cop, so you'll have to look into that yourself. So, but this is just a regular two-hand operation. I don't know, I guess maybe somebody could open with one hand. I'd probably cut the crap out of myself. It's a thin design, goes into a sheath nice, it's lightweight. So if you like light knives, you know, with nice thin blades, these get pretty sharp, so they use pretty nice steel. So it's the Benchmade. Wish I knew the model. I'm not good with models, but that's it right there. Nice folding knife by Benchmade, made in the USA, like American-made knives. Well, that's about it. Out.